Hey guys, sorry about my face, my look. I haven't done my makeup. I just got out of the shower. But if you want to achieve this look, short, medium, straight hair, keep on watching. Okay, so I start with, I put it all up, not all of it up, but I leave some down, and I do it like, tie it all up, and then I put heat protectant. I'm going to be looking over here. If you see me like distracted, it's because I have a mirror, so I'm going to be kind of looking in the mirror at the same time. And excuse my face, I haven't put my makeup on yet, so I just took a shower. Oh, I totally forgot to do this. Brush it all out, and then you put this straightener on here, and you just go down like that. I go slow, so yeah, and then you want to do this side. I don't know if you guys can see that. I go kind of fast. I have really thick hair, so I put it on the highest setting, 450. I forgot to mention that because I have thicker hair than most people. So yeah, that's how you do the first part. So if you want to see the end, if you want to see the end result, keep on watching. So this is the end result of the straightening the short, I want to say medium brown hair, but short, medium hair. This is what it looks like, and then the front, and then I'll show you the back, turn around here, and then this is the back. So I am so in love with it. So, I do it a lot, so I'm used to it, but I also wear my hair extensions, and I also use the bed wig for a hair artist, so, and I love that too. I've done reviews on that too. So, but this is the end result. Tell me what you guys think, and please keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Sorry about my face. I haven't done my makeup yet, so keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe.